Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Heard That the Queen Mother and the Queen Are True, chapter 18. So here it is. Let's read the story. Sister is not good in health. Why did she come to see Aija on purpose? My sister is busy and hardworking alone, so I will come naturally to look for you. Changshu said to the Queen Mother, "Let me see Kangkang. Yesterday was not said to be good. Phoenix seal is double, and the edict is ordered to go together. How about sister?" Queen Changshu is asking the Queen Mother. She really forgot. Well, right now, Changshu, she looks really serious. How about the Queen Mother? Responds to her. But the Queen Mother is muted. Now she's not speaking. Looking at it, she looks really worried. Well, this is getting crazy. It's like she divided the power into two of them. That's why the people in the palace are making gossip. Also, the two of them have been the topic of discussions. Well, for now, Phoenix seals are doubled, and in order to go together, two queen mothers actually have disagreement. But the Zhang Yangyang would get angry because of Gu Yuqin's affairs, and unexpectedly, who would have thoughts? The two queens, the relationship is so good right now. Gossips and the news are spreading flash on the palace. The two of them are getting closer to each other, especially right now. Changshu thinks it's okay for this group of old guys to stay away, whether they can go back and discuss. Well, she has some point. Right now, the Queen Mother, looking into her eyes, it looks anguish. Her anger is being expressed. Well, let's see then. What will the palace minister going to said? The two of them. Right now, the minister is demanding. Minister 1, resignation of the Queen Mother. Oh, that was tough. Right now, will the Queen Mother denounce her positions? Well, it was really cruel. Changshu, she was calling the Queen Mother, "Sister, don't go. Sister, you don't need to explain." Well, Changshu has some point. She don't need to express her feelings. Right now, the Queen Mother, she was really tough and hardworking person. Also, her wishes for the little emperor right now. Changshu, she was thinking she get accused by Yellow. Well, let's see then. What will happen next? Suddenly, the Queen Mother, she was blushing. Probably she was touched by Changshu's voices. That's why right now, she is really blushing. Queen Mother, to cut it short, she don't want Changshu to see her blushing. Right now, she said to her, "I'm exhausted." Seems that she want to go back to the palace. Changshu, she want to follow the Queen Mother. She grabbed her hand and said, "What's the matter?" Well, for the Queen Mother right now, she kept herself muted. She is not speaking, but she is holding hands with Changshu. Well, let's hope no one can see them, or else other gossip again for them. Queen Mother said, "Let's go back to the palace." Well, finally, two of them will go back to the palace. Changshu, she always followed the Queen Mother. Looking at her, she is seeing her on the different sides to the Queen Palace. Well, the weather seems nice. They enter the palace. Changshu is the one who got first. Hello by the Queen Mother. Looking at the Queen Mother's aura, right now, seems to be different. Well, maybe her mind's still not in a good state because of the minister's request. Well, she was thinking about it. But right now, two of them become speechless. Well, they really is. Changshu, she want to break the ice. That's why right now she was calling elder sister. What are you going to do? Looking at her, Changshu, right now, trying to make the Queen Mother to feel comfortable. Looking at her, Seems that all the worries has been gone because of Jiangshu. She was trying to make herself look funny. Well, she right now, Queen Mother took off the swords. Well, for Jiangshu, she really get panic. Well, Jiangshu said to her, "Do you want to eliminate me?" Well, that was fierce. Suddenly, the Queen Mother put up her swords. It seems that it's going to tease her. Turns out, give the swords to Jiangshu. Well, what is the reason why suddenly Queen Mother's being nice to her, especially dividing the position of the two of them? Turns out the sword was a gift of Queen Mother to Jiangshu. Right now, I'll give you a gift. Turns out it was the sword. Jiangshu, to her surprise, she looks really puzzled. What is the meaning of this? Jiangshu's mind, the Queen Mother is getting crazy. Well, it seems like to be. Jiangshu, she was calling elder sister. What does this mean? Well, she want to know what is the reason the Queen Mother suddenly becomes onto her, especially right now. Queen Mother is really changed her attitude, also her perception. Now she become open-minded. Well, did she really fall in love with Jiangshu? Right now, the Queen Mother said to her, "You can guess it." Looking at her, she looks really mischievous. Well, since she was a smart person, it is barely you can outsmart her. But looking into the situation, Jiangshu, right now, instant in love. Well, she really fall in love with the Queen Mother. But my sister doesn't dare to speculate on her sister's intention, reality. But yesterday, oh, she's been questioning herself. But still, she was really smart. Said that you will give me a phoenix hairpin and a phoenix rope. I wanted to pair off with your personal phoenix seal. Advance the retreat together. Well, just to use you as an scapegoat. Well, it is. Right now, it's not considered speculation. Jiangshu, she was really puzzled. The Queen Mother has been outsmarting her. Well, and that's the fact. The Queen Mother, until now, she was really the smartest person in the whole palace. Jiangshu, you wrong me. Well, right now, everything is speculations about Jiangshu. Now, she's been muted. Probably she didn't know Queen Mother has a plan. Well, it's some kind of she became a scapegoat of what the Queen Mothers will do in the future. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!